after hundreds of hours of incubation, her first chick. Now the hard work really begins, because the newly hatched chick needs food. And this chick will then have to share what the female brings back. Or will it? It wants its mother's sole attention. Feeding time. Something has changed. But what? The egg weighs almost as much as the chick. It's like pushing a boulder uphill. Good. The mother's brood has been reduced to just this one chick, and it now has her total attention. There is another drongo's nest nearby, and that has 3 chicks in it. But they don't look quite the same as hers. That is because she's raising an alien, the chick of a cuckoo. Cuckoos lay their eggs in the nests of other birds. The cuckoo's egg matched the drongo's egg so perfectly that this foster mother has been completely deceived. Their parents have succeeded in producing their very own next generation, while she has raised a monster. Her love is blind.